can't conjure a thing for myself. Besides, you and I both know the real power in this world ain't magic. It's money.
It tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true.